Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, have a CR 2032 battery and clean hands. Place the AirTag face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it, and press the stainless steel back with 2 fingers. Twist the back counterclockwise until it stops, then lift it off. You do this to release the clip tabs holding the cover. Once done, you'll see the battery well. Make sure to do this gently to avoid bending the cover or damaging the internal spring contact. You now remove the old cell. Use a fingernail or plastic tool to pry out the CR 2032, noting the positive side faces up. Once removed, inspect the contact spring and wipe any grime with a dry cloth because corrosion can block power. Insert the new battery positive side up, pressing it flat until it seats and the tiny spring makes contact. You should feel a slight click or tension. This ensures the circuit closes, and the AirTag can power up when reassembled. You finish by aligning the 3 tabs on the cover with the slots, press the cover down, and twist clockwise until it locks. This restores the seal and contact pressure. Once closed, hold the AirTag near your phone. Find My should show it and the tag may chirp. If the tag doesn't connect, make sure the battery is properly oriented, try reinserting it, and restart your phone. If it still fails, replace the battery again, or test with a fresh seal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.